indie designer trip, packing for a photo shoot in Miami. So I like to start with a space that I can kind of get a clear palette and look at what I was thinking, what's new and what I was thinking before would be part of the shoot. So as I look at this, like, okay, so I'm excited about what I'm doing and I see the colors and I'm like, this color doesn't have anything to do with anything. So that can sometimes be good and that can be not good. But what I'm thinking is I could add, this is not new, but this has not been shot. I could do this, see? And that's got the green. So the thing is you need a clear space to set up what you're going to shoot. What's she going to wear? What are the looks? And then this will help you determine how many looks you have. So right now for my collection, since it's spring, summer, it's actually summer, it's important to me to shoot. These will all be on the website for sale. And it's important for me to have a model in these Talitha caftans. This is kind of extra. This is something I did. I don't even know if I'm going to produce it, but some of the pieces are actually just for the editorial content on it. So some pieces are going to be crazy, but they're going to sell the other pieces. So like I may be shooting this mini skirt with this sheer wonderful piece. How many clients are actually going to buy that? No, but I'm telling a story about what my brand is. And my brand is sexy. Mostly my brand's sexy with a little bit of bohemian glam, international, effortless, chic, because you can travel with these. You can basically roll these up. They are not going to get wrinkled. And not only that, they are timeless. You could have this caftan for the rest of your life because it's just beautiful and timeless. So how do I translate that message into my collection without with including everyone, inclusive? Like, yes, I have a 30-year-old client and I have a 60-year-old client. What model am I going to choose? I'm going to show you that next. I hope this helps. Like and follow for more.